I'm sure there are people who have been waiting for the temperature scenarios in the Ajax system very much. And frankly, I have to admit, this is not an easy release for us. It is not easy due to leaving the comfort zone. The Ajax system is primarily about security. Our hardware prevents intrusion, fire, and flood. To be sure of our product, we work only with the best components. We work only with accurate data from sensors. We develop our own software. Security technologies are our comfort zone. That is why we have algorithms to prevent false alarms and our own apps where you can set up automation scenarios triggered by an alarm, schedule, or changing the security mode. We provide the best security control experience. But temperature scenarios are not about security. They are about comfort, about health, higher productivity, and life quality. And it was this understanding that pushed us to the next step. We started researching the effect of indoor air on our well-being. This brought us to the question of carbon dioxide concentration, the gas we exhale. Many studies prove that the level of CO2 strongly affects the functioning of the brain, in particular, productivity. For example, a high concentration of CO2 can reduce the speed of mental activity by 60% and the ability to make complex decisions by 50%, half as much productivity due to the invisible gas. I am sure you have often noticed this yourself. After a long time in a closed room, it becomes difficult to concentrate on work. Apathy appears. Add to that cold and dry air, and you may recognize your office in this. If recognized, then I have bad news. That's not how a successful business is done. An invisible problem lies on the surface. Bad air kills productivity. It has been tested in schools, offices, and even on the space station. We saw a new challenge in it. We saw an opportunity to combine security and comfort. Combine them in a professional device about the quality of life. Dear viewers, I am happy to introduce LifeQuality. LifeQuality is a professional indoor air quality monitor. Top quality hardware inside, well thought out design on the outside, comprehensive information in the apps. But let's talk about everything in order. Let's start with measurement accuracy. LifeQuality is packed with Swiss and Swedish sensors that provide the most reliable data. They're used in medical equipment, by the way. The CO2 level is measured directly, so life quality indicators cannot be distorted by aerosols or perfumes. Also, our engineers located the temperature and humidity sensor as far as possible from the monitor electronics so that nothing affects the indicator's accuracy. Now, when using LifeQuality, the Ajax system will display exactly its indicators in the room parameters, because it provides the most accurate data about the air in the room among our devices. A light indicator instantly reports CO2 level. Just tap the Ajax logo. It glows yellow, red, or purple if the concentration of carbon dioxide exceeds the norm, and remains green if everything is fine. Even more interesting things await you in the app. For example, charts, which are something new for our interfaces. You see the current indicators? You can view the history for several days, a week, a month, a year, and understand the dynamics of air quality. You can even take LifeQuality with you to measure the air quality in another location. Garage, kindergarten, relatives' houses. Even without communication with an Ajax hub, the monitor stores data for 3 days. When the connection is restored, all data is uploaded to the hub, and you can view it in the app. But LifeQuality's capabilities do not end here. The most impressive starts with automation scenarios. With LifeQuality, Ajax-relais, and smart plugs, a professional installation engineer can build an automatic climate control system. For example, the system itself will turn on the ventilation when the set threshold of CO2 is exceeded, or the heaters when the temperature drops below the set value, or the humidifier when the humidity level does not correspond to a comfortable level. The Ajax system is now able to protect your comfort zone on its own. Regardless of its size, LifeQuality is designed specifically to be able to create an extensive air quality monitoring system. Firstly, the monitor is equipped with an accelerometer, so if someone moves it to another location, you'll be notified immediately. Secondly, the monitor has a smart bracket. It is easy to mount on the wall in every room or office. Thirdly, the monitor works on a battery for up to 3 years. You don't have to look for a power outlet for it. Time-proven security technologies complement LifeQuality in the best way possible. The Jeweler radio protocol ensures up to 1,700 meters of secure communication, more reliable than Wi-Fi, Zigbee, or Z-Wave. And Rex radio signal range extender doubles this distance. Ajax Cloud is a reliable storage for system data and access to it from any part of the world with an internet connection. We managed to combine the best of both worlds: medical-grade accuracy of air quality measurement and security technologies which have already become a synonym for reliability. Direct CO2 measurement, minimalistic and well-thought-out design, 3 years of battery life, and extremely convenient automation scenarios. Now all this will stand on guard of your productivity and quality of life. LifeQuality will be available for pre-order this year in the fourth quarter. Meanwhile, let's look at it in action.